Did you know that the Skyzone Sky 04X is a built-in drone locator feature? In this video, I'm going to show you how that works. Now this is going to work on the 04X as well as the Skyzone Cobra X, Eachine EV300O, and other similar goggles. It uses the analog module to locate the video signal from the drone, so it only works on analog systems. Now the way this feature works does require the drone to still be powered on with a battery, so you might say that it's good for finding hot single drones in your area. To get started with this feature, the first thing we need to do is make sure the module has a patch antenna on it, but remove any omni antennas on that module. It needs to be able to zero in on the video signal, and so we can't have any omnis on the module. Once that's done, you just need to make sure the goggles are powered up and in the normal RF mode, and then to actually trigger the feature, we're going to hold down on this left scroll wheel here for a few seconds, and it's going to start beeping, and when it starts beeping, that lets us know that it's trying to locate the drone. So what we're trying to do is wait for that beeping to get faster. And you can kind of point these goggles in different directions to try and see when the beeping starts to change, and then we're going to move in that direction. So let's go ahead and see how it works. Now you probably don't want to wear the goggles while you're doing this because you're not going to be able to see anything anyway, and if you're not careful then you might run into something, or you might trip on something. So you probably shouldn't do that. But you do need to make sure that you keep the goggles pointed straight in front of you, because otherwise you won't know what direction you should be going in. Now, here's a pro tip on how to do that. The easiest way to make sure that you're following the signal properly is to take these goggles and brace them against your stomach like this. That way, as I turn, I'm still following where the signal's pointing, so I can make sure that I'm going in the right direction. This also makes you look really cool, trust me. Now as you search, you're going to hear the beeping start getting slower or faster depending on which way you point. And what you want to do is follow the beeping when it gets faster, because that tells you that you're on the right track. So as I'm searching around and turning, I'm just waiting for that beeping to get faster, and that's the direction I go in. When you get close enough to the drone, you'll find that the beeping gets really fast, and at that point, it doesn't matter what direction you turn in, the beeping is going to be about the same. So you can go ahead and turn off the drone locator at that point. And to do that, you just hold down again on that left scroll wheel, and that's going to turn the locator off so that you don't have to hear the annoying beeping. And then from there, you're just going to use your eyes to look around, and hopefully you'll be able to find the drone. It should be pretty close. There you are. Oh, come on. Nick Burns again? That's the third time this week.